Hi, Mr. Andrew here, and today we're working a consecutive integer problem. So consecutive just means one after the other. So if I do things consecutively, I do them one after the other. And integers are just whole numbers and their opposites. So we're dealing with positive or negative numbers. In this case, I can tell, because they're adding up to negative 27, they're probably negative. So here in this case, we have three consecutive integers. So I'll have to use a little bit of algebra to solve for this. So I'm going to let x be the first number. Now, if x is the first number, then the consecutive number after that, the very next number after that one, would be x plus 1. That's because if I would add 1 to any number, I would find the one after it. So plus 1 to x is the consecutive number after x. Now the tricky part is if they throw something else in front of this word consecutive. Sometimes they'll say even consecutive numbers. In that case, if the word even is in front of it, even numbers are spaced 2 apart. So this would be plus 2. But in this case, they just said consecutive integers. So one after the other. And then after that, since we have 3, it would be x plus 2. So x is the first one, x plus 1 is the second number, and x plus 2 is the third number. Now, we look at the word sum, and I know that means addition. So not only do I have x plus 1, I'm just using parentheses so I separate these in your eye, and x plus 2. I have all of them added together. Notice how I have x plus 1, and x plus 2. And that equals the sum of negative 27. So now that's set up, we can start solving. So here on the left side, I have an x, an x, and an x. I want to add like terms, so that comes together to be 3x. And the 1 and the 2 come together to be a 3. I'll bring the equal sign and the negative 27 along. So here, I just have a linear equation that can solve by first subtracting 3 from both sides. So 3x equals negative 30. Then divide by 3. X equals negative 10. So if x equals negative 10, then the first number is negative 10. The one after it would be x plus 1, or in other words, x is negative 10, so negative 10 plus 1, which is negative 9. And x plus 2, well, negative 10 plus 2 is negative 8. These are my three consecutive numbers. And that is my answer. Hope this helped.